Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you two type of solutions how you can fix if your NocoBoost plus GB40 is not working. The first thing that you can try to do that you want to warm the units gradually in warm vehicle. So ensure the heat is applied gently, avoiding direct heat source like fire or heaters. So the steps: just place the cold unit in warm vehicle with the heat on, allow warm air circulate around the units, monitor until the red light goes off. Once warmed, check the unit by pressing the power button, and also normal operation should be restored. So then what you want to do is you want to plug the unit into the charger to ensure it starts charging properly. So it can be like, let's say there's a cold outside, or let's say that something inside just need to be warmed up. So this is the first solution that you can try. The second one is that ensure the red cable is connected to the positive terminal and the black cable is to the negative terminal. And if the red cable is connected to the black terminal and the black cable to red terminal, swap them to their correct position. So this is like also the important thing. So try these two things, but primarily this thing here can possibly help you if you're going to warm them up, and then it's going to help to fix that. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.